Hello everyone, welcome to my another episode. So today I will talk about you know five tips and that can change your entire level of speaking. But today, before sharing my tips, today I will talk about some relevant issues. Usually the beginner are facing so long time. Okay, mostly the learners are trying to speak but they are not able to articulate the sentence as structures in the right form. Why it is happening? Because they may suffer a lot at beginnings. They are not having proper guidance, right? And it's obvious things when we start learning any new language, right? So in this form, in these situations, we may suffer a lot. It's a reality because this is a second language. So obvious things we may suffer a lot, right? So I would like to tell you the mostly the people are raising the questions. I'm unable to think in English and I'm unable to you know convey my message, right? My sentence making structure is not okay. How to think in English, how to articulate my sentences. So these are the problems, they usually the beginner are facing, initially. So I will tell you how you can reduce and overcome such kinds of, problems at your beginning side. So first of all, if you really want to become, good in this making sentence, and you really want to articulate all the sentence in a good form, so first of all you have to strong your basic requirement means like you have to acquire basic knowledge is about the grammars. Use grammar is very important, you can say, because usually people are passing their opinions like initially and there's no need of learning grammars, right? But this is not 100% right, whether you want or not, but you have to complete basic requirement. Grammar is very important, you can say grammar is the root of spoken English. Okay, so if you really want to good in this language, so you have to complete your basic requirement grammar. Okay, another things I would say why you are not able to construct any sentence in a good form, right? Because you are not learning or not reading any books. Suppose what happens when we are new in this platform, in this field. So we are not aware that much, and if you are not go through such kinds of things like such kinds of stuff, so you weren't aware as early as you need to improve, you need to aware about means if you start reading books, you know the book, going through the books, you are going to see how the sentence is formed, how the sentence is construct in the right way, right? So these are things, these things you are going to aware because of reading books only. Mostly, the learner, does not allow self to read books because they are feeling very dull while reading, because reading books it's a long process, I know. And if you are engaging yourself in long process, it will never entertain you, right? So it's an obvious thing, it's a genuine feeling. Usually the learner are waiting while reading books, right? So whether you want or not, but this is a certain process you have to follow. While reading books, it will help you, it will aware you like how the sentence is formed, right, with the grammar. You are going to learn the sentence structures and all these things, all this stuff related is okay. So this is the way you are going to aware, right? Another things I would say, you are going to get chance to collect the words as well, vocabulary, right? This is very important. But one thing you always remember, like you always try to go through daily uses vocabulary, not very fancy and high-fi, because in SL you may suffer a lot, like through multiple problems in your day-to-day life, like you are not being able to form the good sentence, right? You are not able to think in English, you are not able to fix your words, sentences, right? So a lot of problems you have been through at the beginning. So if you run behind fancy standard vocabulary, so you may suffer a lot more than what you expect. So I would recommend you don't run behind and always go with normal things, normal stuff related words. So it will be very convenient to all of you. And if I talk about becoming good in this language at home, so simply you have to follow few things, like first of all you have to watch some English content, English speeches, because listening is also very important. Initially, if I talk about me, so I mean, which channel I used to follow at my beginning. So I used to follow Indian, speech. Indian speech, has the clarity, I would say, like because very well on Indian actors. If I talk about Indian actors and actors, so usually they are coming on multiple platform, or right, sharing their entire life stories and struggles and experiences. So you can say like Indian, actor and actress has a Indian accent, I would say. So whenever our as a Indian actress has a spoken about any matter, so you will see the clarity is a very important, as a beginner to learn and understand their sentences, right? So these actresses, these actors speak in clarity. It is the most important part for the learners, and then only you can understand. Otherwise, you may suffer, right? That's why I used to go to Indian speech at beginnings, and I would recommend to all of you should also watch Indian actors speech. And if is it possible for you to just watch some kinds of movies as well in English dub, you can say. Usually we are having South Indian movies in English. You can also play for yourself, you can also go through, so that you can improve your English, as well as I would say ki if it is possible for you, always try to talk on any topic. I know it is not possible to talk with others people at beginnings, but you can talk to yourself by choosing any random topic, very common topic you have to go through, like about your daily routine. You can mention, right? You can mention your past memories, anything according to your comfort. You can choose and you can talk over, so it will help you to convey your message, and you can fix the new words in your sentences. And this is very important, and this is the little step you are crossing every single day. So as soon as possible you can reach at your destiny, right? And this is the way you can be a fluent speaker, right? So overall, I mean to say such kinds of things you have to follow, and then only you can improve your English at home. Because mostly the users are thinking, after getting admission in any institute, after getting admission in any institute, I will become fluent. Nothing will happen. What you think? Because after getting admission over there, you have to go through the same process. Teacher also will tell you have to do this, you have to do that, you have to do such kinds of things on your daily basis. Only you can improve your English. The same process you have been through after getting admission and investing your money over. You have to do the usual things what you used to do at your home, right? Whatever you will follow, and whatever you will do at your home by self. So overall, I mean to say like whether are you getting admission any institute, or if you follow yourself, the same thing. So you can improve your English. You can be a fluent speaker. Of course, it's totally up to you, like how you follow, right? So these are the basic things I have manifested around you. It may help you a lot, and it may help you to reach your levels, your destiny. So thank you so much for watching me, and bye bye. We will meet to the next videos. Thank you so much.